Welcome to another AI episode. In this episode we are going to discuss beginner-friendly AI skills you can learn and why AI is key in 2025. AI is transforming industries by automating tasks, enhancing creativity, and boosting efficiency across various sectors. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory.ai make advanced AI accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise. AI-related services are in high demand, with beginners earning content creation $50 to $200 per project, graphic design $25 to $100 per design, video editing $100 to $300 per video. Freelancing platforms make it easy to start, and AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory.ai empower beginners to deliver professional results and scale their income. With step-by-step guidance, you'll learn everything you need to start offering professional services and earning confidently. So, let's dive in. 1. AI content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper.ai help create written content by using smart algorithms trained on a lot of text. User input: you give the AI a prompt, like, write a blog about healthy eating, or create a social media post for a new product. Understand and create. ChatGPT looks at your instructions and creates text by predicting what comes next based on patterns it has learned. It can generate anything from blog posts to answers to questions. Jasper.ai. This tool is designed to help with marketing. It uses your prompts to write content that sounds natural and is perfect for things like product descriptions, social media posts, and catchy headlines. Here's a simple breakdown of how they work. User input: you give the AI a prompt, like, write a blog about healthy eating, or create a social media post for a new product. You can guide the AI by adjusting things like the tone, fun, formal, etc., or style, brief, detailed. The tools create content quickly, saving you time while making sure it's tailored to your needs. In short, both tools make writing easier by using AI to generate content based on your ideas. Sign up to create an account on ChatGPT or Jasper.ai. Use ChatGPT to generate script, for example on travel niche. For example, ask ChatGPT to generate content idea for 5 hidden gems in Greece. And then use Pictory.ai to upload the text as script and generate visuals. You can also use prompts to write a blog various topics, e.g. on eco-friendly travel tips, then set up a profile on Fiverr and Upwork, list your gigs and set your pricing. Strategize. Earnings potential: $50 to $200 per project. Tips: add personal insights to make AI content feel authentic and valuable. Skill number 2. AI-powered graphic design. Use AI-powered tools such as Canva and Midjourney to create professional quality visuals without graphic design experience. With Canva Basic you can create a social media post. There are loads of templates to choose from and so easy to customize. Use Midjourney to create unique digital artwork by typing prompts like, design a minimalistic logo for a coffee shop, to generate amazing arts. List these designs as digital products on Etsy or offer custom design services to small businesses. Earnings potential: $25 to $100 per design. Skill number 3. AI video editing and creation. Tools like Pictory.ai are perfect for beginners because it helps to simplify video creation by automating editing, captions, and voiceovers. Use ChatGPT prompt to write a script or generate one. Then upload this script to Pictory.ai. To do this, log into Pictory.ai account. On the dashboard, click Script to Video to start a new project. Paste your script into the provided text box or upload a text file. Click Proceed, and follow the prompts to customize scenes, visuals, and audio. Finalize the video by previewing, editing, and exporting it. Add visuals, transitions, and voiceovers using the tools on the app. Here's about to turn a blog post into a video. Log into your Pictory.ai account. Select Article to Video on the dashboard. Paste the blog post link or the text of the blog post. Pictory will summarize the content and create scenes. Review and edit these as needed. Then you customize visuals, add voiceovers, and adjust music. Preview your video, make any final tweaks, and export it. Earnings potential: $100 to $300 per project. Tips: keep videos concise and visually engaging. Skill number 4. AI-driven market research. SEMrush and ChatGPT are powerful tools for market analysis. SEMrush is a comprehensive platform that provides insights into market trends, competitor strategies, keyword rankings, and customer reviews. It helps identify gaps and opportunities in your niche. ChatGPT can process and summarize data from reviews, generate competitor insights, and analyze trends based on input. It also helps craft tailored marketing strategies. Together, they streamline research, offering deep insights and actionable strategies for staying ahead in the market. Here's a step-by-step guide for using SEMrush and ChatGPT for market analysis. Step 1. Identify objectives. Define your focus: market trends, customer reviews, or competitor analysis. Step 2. Use SEMrush. Search for keywords or competitors to analyze their traffic, strategies, and trends. Review these reports for customer insights and market gaps. Step 3. Export data. Download relevant reports or extract specific details from SEMrush. Step 4. Input data into ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to summarize trends, analyze reviews, or compare competitors. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm strategies or campaign ideas. Step 5. Review insights. Combine findings from both tools to craft actionable plans. Identify trends. Use ChatGPT to summarize customer feedback or trends. Deep dive with SEMrush. Research keywords and analyze competitor performance. Deliver insights. Create clear, actionable reports with visuals and summaries. Earnings potential: $300 to $1,000 per project. Skill number 5. Building AI chatbots. Chatbots automate customer service by handling common queries, providing instant responses, and guiding users through tasks like troubleshooting or purchases. They use AI to understand customer intent, offer personalized solutions, and operate 24/7. By reducing the workload on human agents, chatbots enhance business efficiency, lower costs, and improve customer satisfaction. They also gather valuable data for insights into customer behavior and preferences. ManyChat and the ChatGPT API are powerful tools for creating intelligent conversational experiences. ManyChat and the ChatGPT API are powerful tools for creating intelligent conversational experiences. ManyChat, a platform for building chatbots on messaging apps like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. It enables automated customer engagement, sales, and support with user-friendly templates and workflows. ChatGPT API provides advanced AI capabilities for generating natural, human-like conversations. It can handle complex queries, personalize interactions, and enhance chatbot intelligence. By integrating them, businesses can create dynamic, AI-driven chatbots for efficient and engaging customer communication. Set up ManyChat. Create an account and connect your messaging platform, e.g., Messenger or WhatsApp. Design basic chatbot flows using ManyChat's Visual Builder. Access ChatGPT API, sign up on OpenAI, get API keys, and review documentation. Integrate the API. Use ManyChat's external request feature to connect with ChatGPT API. Set up triggers to send user messages to the API and return dynamic responses. Test and refine. Run tests to ensure smooth communication between ManyChat and ChatGPT. Fine-tune the bot's responses for relevance and tone. Deploy and monitor. Launch your chatbot and monitor performance through ManyChat Analytics. Update and optimize based on user feedback and engagement. Use ManyChat drag-and-drop interface to create a basic chatbot flow. Train with ChatGPT. Input common FAQs and responses. Sell your service. Market your chatbot creation services to small businesses, emphasizing cost savings and improved customer experience. Earnings potential: $500 to $2,000 per project. With the power of ManyChat and ChatGPT API, you can create chatbots that not only automate tasks but also deliver meaningful, human-like interactions. Start small, keep learning, and trust in the process. You're building something impactful that will elevate your business and customer experience. Rock it! Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Recap: where are the 5 AI skills that could make you big bucks? 1. AI content creation. 2. AI-powered graphic design. 3. AI video editing. 4. AI-driven market research. 5. AI chatbot building. Start with one skill, no matter how small. Focus, practice, and celebrate each step forward. Building confidence comes from consistency. Every little progress counts. You've got this. Glowing star. These tools make AI easy and approachable for everyone, allowing anyone to integrate advanced technology without needing deep technical skills. It's all about getting started and growing your abilities. Ensure to like, subscribe, and also let us know in the comments which skill you're excited to try.